Like to go to that microphone at the back for a sister, inshallah, to tell us one, something that really moved you, it healed you, it helped you, maybe a situation you were in that actually you came out of, or you may be still struggling with, but what helped you through it, inshallah. Let's go.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa
I
rahmatullah.
was divorced 5 years ago
Divorce.
from a 2-year marriage, a marriage that separated me from my family, and also the marriage that brought the worst out of me.
Allahu Akbar.
So what made me come out of it is I spent a lot of time with my mother afterwards and with my family, and a lot of time in sujood. And also, this was not alone. I had the help of a counselor, and I found myself to love myself again.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Amazing.
And
yes.
Alhamdulillah, I have now been married for 3 years with a very patient husband and a lovely family.
MashaAllah. May Allah bless you. MashaAllah.
Until 3 weeks ago, Sheikh, I got a call from a sister who is married now to my ex-husband, who is also going through the same thing I went.
Allahu Akbar.
So it shook me, but all I said was for her to find love in herself again and to spend time with her parents. And inshallah, Allah is the best to decide how her life will be.
Ameen. You're right. MashaAllah. 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 I must say, takbir. So many sisters and brothers go through divorce and give up. They start doubting themselves because of what they were bombarded with throughout the time they were married. Sometimes it's so difficult. And then you get out, you might get married again and divorced again and married again and divorced a third time. Do not lose hope. Keep going. Like what she said, your family is crucial. They should provide for you the comfort. Family is so important. Islam is a religion that gives great importance to parents, children, brothers and sisters, dhawil qurba, your family members. They do come first. You need to give importance to them. It's so important because Allah made you and you came on earth with those people around you. So you go back to them. They're supposed to provide you that comfort by the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So good to hear that after some time Allah blessed you with a spouse who is amazing, inshallah. May Allah strengthen him and grant him goodness. If you are here, my beloved brother, please take care of the sister, inshallah. And all the husbands here, take care of your wives. And all the wives here, before I get told you're a woman's man, take care of your husbands, inshallah. Come on, say Ameen. Look at them clapping hands, man. I don't normally get the men clapping hands, mashallah. Allah bless you guys.